Hey, I'm Chris here at Kodo Kids. I just want to talk to you about the baby Swiss. So we've got three pieces. We've got the large, medium, and small baby Swiss. This is in addition to our regular Swiss cheese, which has larger holes for the outdoor ramps or also the indoor ramps, discovery ramps. So it comes in 6 pieces. Each baby Swiss slots together. So when you get it, it's going to be a jumble of pieces, you know, but you can match them up actually pretty easily. They all fit together, and then they just slot together. Simple as that. So now the kids have this building platform that they can arrange in all sorts of different ways, in any angle, straight on. So you can take your discovery ramps, and the idea is just you have multiple different holes to place these ramps to get different angles to experiment with. And there are failure points where that angle becomes too steep and those ramps start to slide, which provides an awesome opportunity